If you've just finished the door tutorial, you should have 4 walls with a door opening. If not, quickly review the door video by clicking the button below or create a new drawing from the architectural template and draw 4 walls with a door. Now that we have a room with a door, it's time to add a window. Before we add a window, let's take a look at properties by right-clicking the window icon on the architectural toolbar. In General Properties, we are going to change the style. We will go over styles a little bit later, but for now, change the window style from Awning Transform to Picture. Now select Window Main. Here we are going to change the width to 24 inches and the height to 48 inches. We want the top of the window to align with the top of the existing door, so be sure vertical alignment is set to the head of object and the head height is set to 80 inches. Now place the window next to the door. I'm going to offset the window 4 inches away from the right wall, but anywhere in between the wall and the door should be fine. So far we have only been working in 2D, or have we? The architectural tools create both 2D and 3D representations of architectural objects. Switch to an isometric view by right-clicking in the drawing area and selecting Isometric Northwest from the pop-up toolbar. You should now see that the head height of the window and door are aligned. Now let's get a better look at things. First, turn off the grid, then open Camera Properties by right-clicking the teacup icon. Select Hidden Line and make sure Hidden Line is set for both rendering type and rendering mode. You can further examine your model by holding down the center mouse wheel and moving your mouse around. Then center the drawing by clicking the center mouse wheel. Once you have a view that you like, hit F3 to bring up the design director. Click View to open the view palette. Here we can save and manage different views. Click New View to save the current view. I will name this view NW_diametric. Now that we have this view saved, we can move our camera around and revert back to our saved view by hitting the check mark next to the named view in the design director. We can also toggle perspective on and off. Check perspective on for your named view, then check the check mark to switch to this view. Some of the drawing may be off the screen, so let's zoom to extents and save a second view. Now uncheck perspective for the first view we created. We can now toggle between the two views. We have gone over the basics of how to create a door and a window. It's time we talk about styles. But for now, let's save the drawing as doors_windows TCW.